What's up, you guys? Long time no see. Sorry about that. I kind of dropped the ball, but rest assured we have still been working.
There's been a lot of work going on.
There's been a lot of things going on. So let me get you caught up to speed over what we've done over the last couple weeks.
It went to paint. Cab was painted, brought back to Josh's. We got the glass put in. We've got it 90% wired. We have ran the drivetrain, heat cycled. It's great. Runs good, sounds good. At home, I had been working on the wood bed, probably close to 40 hours in the stain and clear on it.
Truck is painted.
Yes.
Everything is hooked up.
Wet
the
sanded
motor
down.
runs. Everything looks good. So now we are just in the final stages of putting everything back together. And today we are going to work on putting the wood bed
together.
Install it into the bed of the truck. And let me tell you guys, this wood looks amazing. As Michael said, this has all been custom DIY. This has not been hired out. We did not buy it. This has all been done. If you want to see, I do have a video. I'll link it below.
This is not a fancy kit. This is
no.
This is white oak, but it was
white oak, custom cut. We cut it, sanded it, painted it. It looks amazing.
Cleared it, sanded it, cleared it, sanded it, cleared it, sanded it, cleared it, sanded it for 3 weeks.
Yeah, it's been a process, but it looks amazing. It turned out so well, so we are so excited to get it installed. And that pretty much sums up what we've been up to the last couple weeks. We're so excited to get you guys caught up, show you guys the process that we're doing. Guys, we are so close. Maybe this will be my Christmas gift this year.
It's looking like it.
Maybe my truck will be done as a Christmas gift.
And the wheels and tires. Wheels and tires, we got tires on, and the wheels are painted as well.
But they're not currently installed on the truck.
That'll be the last thing we put on.
Yeah, so like I said, this is the fun part where everything starts to get exciting. But it's also the part where when things go wrong, it's stressful.
Anybody who's ever built a truck, this is also the part where if you put it on once, you get to put it on 3 times.
So anyways.
Because did you put it on if you didn't put it on 3 times?
No. All right, so let's go get to work. Okay, so here's the deal. Because we cut this wood ourselves, we did cut it longer because we'd rather it be too long and have to cut it short than cut it too short and be SOL. So that is why all these pieces are gonna look a little bit long. We are gonna have to use a miter saw today, cut off the extras, and then make sure that it all fits well. So you know what they say, measure twice, cut once. We're trying to be cautious around here, so that's just our approach to it. Also, want to give a sneak peek of the slats. We did have Steven paint them to the color of the truck, so it's gonna look killer. Moment of truth, will it fit? Our first piece. This will set the tone for the whole day. drama. This piece is too narrow and it's not gonna work. So hopefully...
none of the dimensions that are listed on any place online.
So I guess we pulled some bad specs, but hopefully the rest of the measurements are gonna be okay. So we're gonna continue on. In worst case scenario, it's just 4 pieces that we're gonna have to replace.
So to you boys doing this, trust no one.
Trust no one. Well, you might be wondering why we are loading the boards back up in the truck. Unfortunately, our measurements were off. So we have to go back and trim all of these boards by 1/2 inch. And then one board we have to completely remake because it was just did not fit at all. So
4 boards.
I guess the moral of this story, don't believe everything you read on the forums. Don't believe everything you read on the forums. So anyway, it is what it is. There's worse things that could have happened. Thankfully, they were just a little too long. If they had been too short, we would have had to scrap them and have to redo everything. So it could be worse. But like Steven just said, there ain't no drama, there ain't no fun. And just so you know, Michael is pissed, I can tell, but he's holding it all in.
Don't post information on the internet if you're not correct. If it's going to be 7.5, say bolt hold a bolt hold.
What is this? CNN?
Fake news.
Fake news. Forums equals CNN. That's what that means.
I have a conspiracy.
We have a conspiracy.
It's the people that make the boards and sell them posted those wrong measurements, so you end up buying them.
Ah.
I love a good conspiracy.
It's okay. You know what? This build was going too smooth. Something had to happen.
Was it?
It was. Eek. All the joys, all the joys. But we will come back once we have the boards complete, and I'm sure there'll be some other things on the cab that we'll show you guys. So be sure, if you want to see this thing come to life, we are so close. Be sure that you subscribe, like, comment, tell your friends, share, all the things. Appreciate you tuning in, guys. We'll catch you guys next time. This was Babe Approved Rides.